going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. Hope all is well. We are in a new month. We're in the month of September. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, a little bit of cryptocurrency. Before we do, it does my channel a good solid whenever you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, that bell notification, so you can get up-to-date notifications whenever I do new videos. So since we are in the month of September, I'm a very analytical person. Like, yo, what has cryptocurrency done in these past few years in the month of September to see where we're probably heading? And this article say why September is shaping up to be a potentially ugly month for Bitcoin price. Bitcoin has closed its previous 5 months of September in losses and can suffer similar pains if history repeats. So it say Bitcoin bulls should not get excited about the recovery from June lows of 17,500 just yet, as BTC heads into its riskiest months in the coming days. Alright, so this historical data shows September being Bitcoin's worst month between 2013 and 2021, except 2015 and 2016. At the same time, the average of Bitcoin price declined in the month is a modest negative 6%. So they get this from CoinGlass. So I went to the source, right? And you can see on CoinGlass, I love you can do like the monthly, weekly, daily, quarterly. So let me know in the comments if you guys prefer the dark or the light where you can get it like this. We'll do the light for right now. So right here, this is the year where we're in 2022 and it's showing the month. So you see in January, we completely went down negative 16. I like to analyze with cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin, the last 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we're going to mainly just cover the whole thing. So what we're doing is seeing the average, more red or more green, just keeping it completely simple. So in January, in my opinion, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it was in the red versus the 4 times within those last few years. So this is more of a buy month. So whenever you come to January, you're thinking Bitcoin, I'm going to buy because it's going to possibly go down 33%. It's going to go down 16%. So January is a buy month. February is completely a sell month. If you want to sell cryptocurrency, look at that, 61%, 23%, 36%, and the lows is only 8, and you got one big 31. March is a buy month. You got 4 greens and actually 6 red, so that is another buy month. Now April is a sell month. We got the exact same thing but opposite. You got a 6 green and you got a 4 reds, and you can keep on going. You look at May and June. May and June, in my opinion, whenever you get 5 of any of them, you completely split it down the middle, and these are months you just completely dollar cost average, or you just sit on the sidelines and don't invest at all. Because look at this, May, you was possibly able to lose 35% of your money in Bitcoin in May in 2021, and you seen a gain in 2019 of 52%, another one 52%. So May 39%. So May is crazy months where I would just completely let my crypto ride and see exactly how everything turned out. The exact same thing with June. This June down 37%, 29%, up 27%, up 26%, and that is 5 and 5. So those are months you kind of just leave alone. And you have July. July is a close one. This is the first time we're going to see 7 green and 3 red. So this is a sale month. And now once you go to August and September are just bad months. You look at August, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red, 4 green. And you look at September, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and I've been saying months, but the last 5 years it's been red. So this is basically history showing this at 8 times out of 10 that September is going to be a bad month for Bitcoin. It just historically is. And if you look at the averages, it's going to probably be 7% again down. And if we go 7% from our current price, Bitcoin is, we just going to say 20,000. And if you do 10% of 20,000, that is 2,000. So that will put us at 18,000. Since it's at 17, we would say $18,500. Historically, that's what it would go to if, you know, and I'm just doing this off the top of my head, so, you know, could be wrong, but y'all get my drift. And you see October is completely amazing months. Look at that, 60%, 33, 47, 39. October is the month of rallies and of completely selling whenever you need to. November, the same thing. December is usually mixed signals. So if we continue with the article, it's a interestingly, Bitcoin poor track record across the previous September months coincides with similar downturns in the stock market. For instance, the average decline of the US benchmark of the S&P in September is 0.7% in the last 25 years. So August and September is the worst months for the stock market, and August and September is probably the worst months for cryptocurrency. And they just giving you an example, because what investors usually do is sell their stocks and stuff these months, because it's like, okay, the end of the year is about to be up, so for tax purposes, this is when you sell to lock in your losses or your gains. You got to pick which month to do it. So it's a lot of activity basically going on. Bitcoin's correlation with the stock market has been largely positive during and after the pandemic. Therefore, in addition to the September effect, these mirroring price tends to also increase BTC likelihood of dropping high in the ominous months. So they talk about the Fed hike, because we got a lot of stuff going on, and it's really going to be however Jerome Powell pop things off this September coming up. Is it going to be good or is it going to be bad? And if it's bad, if they raise the 75 basis points, crypto is going down. If they do it 50, then I believe we'd be doing okay. It's a Bitcoin technicals hint at a price of 17.6. Interesting, from a technical perspective, Bitcoin will decline towards 19,250 by September. We are at September, so we're not there. If it breaks out of its current bear flag pattern, the bearish continuation setup is illustrated. So they wasn't right on it. They got close though, because let's see, Bitcoin did go to 19,800, so close enough. So this article do hold a little bit of merit. Let me know what's y'all thoughts. What are the best months in your opinion to buy some cryptocurrency, to buy some Bitcoin? Because you see the history is go up, it go down, it go up and go down. But right now we're on a down trend. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button. We are approaching 20,000 of them things. Let's go ahead and get up there. I'm Lando. Talk to you guys later, and I'm out.